Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the point is microwave oven. Okay. So in the last lecture we can studied the interaction of radiation with rotating molecules. Okay. And the application of rotational spectra. Okay. So here now we are going to learn the microwave oven. Microwave oven. Okay, nowadays the word microwave is a familiar to us in the form of common kitchen. Okay, applicants microwave oven. Okay, so it is used to cook the food or reheat the previously cooked food. Okay, so microwave is invented in a 1945 by the American electrical engineer Percy Spencer, who electrical engineer Percy Spencer and then modified in a various forms. Okay, so in microwave oven the food is heated. In microwave oven, the food is heated by passing the microwave radiation through it. What? In a microwave oven, the food is heated by passing the microwave radiation through it. Okay, so it contains a device. Okay, it contains a device. Which device? Magnetron, which produces the microwaves. Okay, so it contains the device. Which device? Magnetron, which produces the microwaves. Okay, for equally heating from all the directions. What? From equally heating from all the directions, the food material can be kept on turntable. The food material can be kept on turntable. Okay, so the microwave radiations penetrate inside the food. The microwave radiations penetrate inside the food. Then the water molecule in food absorb the radiations. The water molecule in the food absorb the radiations and excited to the higher rotational level and excited to the higher rotational levels. Okay, so consequently these molecules re-emit the excess rotational energy in the form of heat. Okay, so consequently these molecules re-emit the excess rotational energy in the form of heat. By utilizing this heat, the food get cooked. Okay, by utilizing this heat, the food get cooked. The water molecule are a polar in nature. Okay, the water molecule H2 are the polar in nature and hence interact with the microwave radiations. While other biological molecules in the food are the large and not able to rotate it. Okay, water molecule polar in nature and hence interact with the microwave radiations, while the other biological molecule in food are large and not able to be rotated. Okay, this fact makes the microwave oven different than conventional oven. What? Microwave oven different than conventional oven. So, in conventional hot oven, what happen? Heat is produced by heating the element, and it cooks the food by conduction from outside in. Okay, that is from outside layer to inner layers. From outside layer to inner layers. So, in case of microwave oven, what happen? Due to the simultaneous excitation of all the water molecules, simultaneous excitation of all the water molecules in the bulk of food, it is a heated inside out. It is heated inside out. Okay, so thus the heating process of micro oven is internal. Okay, thus the heating process of microwave oven is internal. Okay, so This is a very important. What happened in case of microwave, due to the simultaneous excitation of all the water molecules in the bulk of food, it is a heated inside out. Okay, so the heating process in microwave oven is a internal. Okay, so what is the advantage of the microwave oven? So the advantage is the cooking time is reduced. The cooking time is reduced, that is it takes place in a very short time. Okay, it takes place in a very short time. So what is the disadvantage of the microwave oven? The microwave radiations, okay, the microwave radiations can affect similarly on a human body. Okay, the microwave radiations can affect similarly on human body. Therefore, the precaution must be taken that no radiation is allowed to leak from oven. What? Therefore, the precaution must be taken that no radiation is allowed to leak from oven. Okay, hence the door must be sealed well during the operations. Okay, hence the door must be sealed well during the operation. So here the microwave oven advantages, disadvantages, and how the how the food is cooked in a microwave oven. Okay, we have studied here. So here the microwave oven point is the finished. Thank you.